Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. We've got some modifications to do today. So I'm constantly putting kits together and refining kits and just kind of going through and checking things and so on and so forth. So this is a stag leather pouch that I made to go on my Holy Bushman. Super awesome knife. I've done it the same way as I've done the rest of them. So it's made to fit on a JRE sheath. It's got a custom whitetail ferrite on there. So it's got a really good shape to it. But what I'm going to do is this one, I had messed up a spot with a hole punch or something. I don't know actually why I was even doing that. But I'm going to go back and put a drawstring on this. So to do the drawstring, you need some type of hole punch. This is a Nipex leather punch. You need some sort of string for your pull cord. This is just high-vis paracord. Something to cut it with, scissors, or just use the knife, and a lighter, and some sort of toggle. This is just a piece of poplar that's been carved and some holes put in it with a Swiss Army knife awl. Not nothing super fancy. And all we do with it is do like Mr. Gibson, a friend of mine, says, is make the edges friendly. So we just make sure all the edges are friendly. Then we see where we're going to put our holes, and I'm going to put my holes where they take this funky spot out. So the first one I'm going to put right there. And then we'll put another one right towards the edge. And we'll try to keep them evenly spaced anyway. Put one in the middle. The ones on the back, they can go through the holes that are already there that this comes out of. So pokey holes in there. I'm going to take the guts out of this paracord, set them to the side. Make our ends nice and neat. We'll probably shorten this up after we get them in there, but it'll let it go through the toggle better and the holes better. So let's figure out how we need to go through this. See, I may need to punch 2 more holes in here. There. So this will be get out of this hole here. So to do that, you may need an awl. I've got one on my knife. just so you get on the very back. Yeah, it's going to have to go from the inside out. Trying to make sure I'm staying in frame for you guys too. Maybe easier if I just go right above those holes. 2 more instead of trying to poke it through that. Won't hurt him then. So we'll go out there. We'll just do both sides at the same time. We'll go out there. Just kind of pulling evenly. Pretty close. Out in. This may not be right. We may have to take it out again to get it right, but we'll see. I feel like I'm breathing really loud. I got some super like mechanical nose hair trimmers. I feel like I need to trim my nose hairs with because I think I'm breathing super loud. But if I don't, I'll die. So I think I've already said that one time. And folks ask me sometimes, what is an awl for? What do you use an awl for? This is a good example of what you can use an awl for. But I could have poked these holes with an awl. It just would have been a little more work to get them through there. Uh-oh. Come on. Don't tear up on me now. See what I did? It's okay. And the tighter, the better the stuff goes in these holes. You'll hold it closed better. And we'll go back in here. Butcher, dude, you've got to stop chomping on yourself. That's all I hear. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Let's do a bigger hole right here. Maybe just an additional one right beside that one. And this will go through right here. Sometimes I wish I had fingernails, but then I decide that I don't. It's nice for scratching stuff and picking things out and all, but... Alright. Look at that. Cinches right up. So now, look at this toggle. I may trim a little bit more off of this. just to make sure it's not too big. Man, this is totally off subject, but I think I want to watch Willow tonight. When's the last time y'all seen Willow? One of my favorite high fantasy movies. Anyway, sorry, it kind of come out of nowhere, but Butcher, what's wrong, buddy? Now, put this up. Put this up. Might need my awl right here. Put one side through. You can twist this paracord sometimes. Keep going in one direction and it can pop it through. So, what do you think? I'm gonna do two danglies. We'll see how far out it needs to pull it to be open all the way. See right here. Just tie overhand knot. Keep them about even. Check these scissors out. These things are electrician scissors. But that's it, guys. I have to carve a little bit off of it so my button holds better. But that's going to keep it flat. That's going to keep it super flat in there. We think we'll do it like this. Take a little bit of width off this guy. Yeah, if we bust it, we'll just make another one, huh? LT Scandy's carving mamma jamma. Marvelous. Beautiful. Now I just got to get this thing built out. She's good to go. Anywho, there's how to do pull string on a knife sheath pouch. Alright guys, have a good weekend. Later.